Hello, I'm YP2. We are going to look at simplifying expressions on page 146. Okay, before we start, let's look at this calendar trick. So, in a calendar, if you take any 3 by 3 box, you will see this formula is applied. You can always read the notes associated with it. So, if the first number is a n, the second number will be 1 more than that number. The third number will be 2 more than that number. The number at the bottom would be 7 more than that. So if you look at that, 21 here is 7 more than that. This is 1 more. This is 2 more. Okay. So together with that, now we are going to look at like terms. To simplify terms in algebra, we are looking at the like terms and unlike terms. You can only combine, you can only add or subtract the like terms. The ones that are not same on, we can say not like terms, you cannot combine them together. Okay, first case of like terms, 3x and negative 6x. Both the variables are same. If the variables are same, then they are like terms. In this case, you can see the variables are not the same. One is a y, one is a x. So we cannot combine them. This can be combined and written as negative 3x. The second one, the variables and the power has to be the same. X squared y, x squared y. So 2x squared y plus 7x plus y, if I have to combine, would be 9x squared y. Right? In this case here, it's not a like term. Can you see the variables are same, but the powers given to is not the same. In the first one is x cubed and the second one is only just x. But in this case, I have a y. This is y cubed. So they are not the like terms. Third case here, they are just numbers. We can combine them. In this one, you have a number and number with the alphabet. No, we cannot simplify that. So this is not like terms. Let's look at this one. 8 mn and negative 12 mm. Same variable and the powers are same. We can only combine the like terms if the variables and the powers are same. Okay, let's look at this. 3 capital M and N and this one is 6 mm. These two are not like terms. This is capital and that's small, and that's very sensitive in terms of variables we are learning. The next one, 4y cubed, 9y cubed. Same base and same powers. Yes, we can combine. If you look at that, this is z squared, this is z cubed. Even though the variables is same, but the powers are not the same. That's why they are not like terms and we cannot combine them. Okay, let's look at more examples on that. Negative 2 g squared p cubed, g squared p cubed, g squared p cubed. Yes, all three are like terms. Here, tw squared, t squared w, tw. All these three are not the same. It has to be the same. This both t and w has to be the same. Even though we have w here and w there, we cannot combine these two. Right? Thank you.